This video is a guide on how to register your drone in Korea and legally fly it. Now, the walkthrough is mainly for DJI Mavic series drones that weigh under 1 kilogram. Let's first go to the official website to make an account to register your drone and apply for flight approval. The address is drone.onestop.go.kr. Once there, you will see pop-ups like this one. This roughly translates to this seen on the right. So we're concerned with acquiring Class 4 licensing for drones that weigh between 250 grams to less than 2 kilograms. Another pop-up you might get is on a notice that Internet Explorer may not work for users. Using Google Chrome or other browsers might work. And another pop-up that you should double check to see if your flight applications have been approved before flying. Alright, let's click on the top right called 회원 가입 to register for the website. After you've registered, you'll see on the top 4 menus, put your mouse over the second column called 민원 신청. Now, these are going to be your go-to links for registering, flight approval application, media recording application. Let's first click on registering your drone. You can fill it up like so, shown here. Pause the video to take notes. And here too. Pause the video to take more notes. Now let's go back to the main page and apply for flight approval. Click on the second column called 민원 신청. The first red box is for flight permission, and the second red box is for media permission. We're going to be doing the flight permission for this video. So let's click on the first red box here, 비행 승인 신청. Since I fly a Mavic Air 2 drone, and if you also fly that as well, fill it out as shown here. And here you might have noticed the 신고 번호 is blank, and that's because I'm a hobbyist and not using the drone to make profit. I put down 3개월 here. It means that the number of months of experience on having flown a drone. And on the attachment page, you just need the ones highlighted in green. I attached zip files for the pictures of my drone and zipped files of drone specs, which can be found on the manufacturer's website, and my license, which I obtained online, and which I can go over that video as well next time. And you can see from this chart of what you need to submit. For drones under 12 kilograms, you just need 1. Pics of your drone, and 2. Spec sheet of your drone. Now, if this was helpful, leave me a thumbs up and a like and a comment as well. The tutorial on how to apply for media recording for droning in Korea will be made soon. Hopefully this was all helpful to you, and happy droning.